Okay folks, today we're going to do a little experiment. I had the idea of using my resin 3D printer to make some casting molds for a sugar-based rocket propellant. So this propellant is cast in a molten state. You melt the sugar to make the propellant, and so it's a relatively high temperature, and I'm worried the casting tubes might melt or sag when I pour in the molten propellant because the resin, I don't know if it can take the heat. So what we have here are two molds that I printed. They're both printed with Elegoo standard white resin. You can probably see a bit of a color difference there between the two of them. The one on the left was cured under UV for about 15 minutes, and the one on the right was cured for a couple hours, so you can see some significant yellowing there. I'm going to put them both in the oven for about 10 minutes at about the temperature of the molten propellant to see how they hold up. So here we go. We'll set the oven temperature to 260 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oven is preheated, we'll go ahead and put the parts into the oven, and we'll set the timer for about 10 minutes. Okay folks, here we are 10 minutes later. The oven is just about to finish. There it goes. So I'm going to start by taking out the part that was cured for less time. You can see that it's very soft, almost falling apart. When I take it out of the oven, the layers pull apart fairly easily. It really has no strength to it at all. When I hold it in my hand, it's just super soft, and I would not trust this with anything hot. So I'll go ahead and get the other cured part out, the one that was cured for 2 hours with the yellowing. When I just pulled it out of the oven, I noticed it was much sturdier than the other one. It really felt almost like it did before I put it in the oven, and it is not significantly softened like the other one was. And I tried pulling the layers apart. I couldn't pull them apart. I'm pretty confident in the strength of this one. So it seems like resin printing is a viable option for casting tubes as long as they are cured for a good long while. I'll try to post a video soon on casting the propellant in one of these so you can see that. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a great day.